want to verify our leads first and then only show them the form, here is how we'll do it in 1 minute. We'll add some fields, then we'll add an email address field in MakeForms, and at the right hand side what we will do is we'll turn on the enable verification. As soon as we do that, there is another option called verify first. So when you do that, what happens is that the user will have to first verify their email address, and only after they have verified their email address they can go ahead and see the form. So let's quickly publish this and see it in action. So here is the form. We can see that right now we are only able to see the email address field. So I will just go ahead and I will enter my email address, and then once I do it, it will ask me for an OTP verification. I will enter the OTP verification code, and as soon as I do that, what will happen is that the form will open up for me with a small tick mark at the end. So this is how, guys, you can actually go ahead and quickly verify your leads using MakeForms.